How to get free Exitlag trial. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your preferred browser and then search for Exitlag and open this. So this app or this website is supposed to lower your ping while you play games. So as you can see, here are all the paid version like monthly, annually, quarterly. But if you want to use it for free, what you will have to do is simply open a new tab and then search for Exit Lag Trial. And you will be led to this interface. Go over here and now simply enter all these details and then select for 3-day free trial and you will get it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.